Sometimes we get exponents that are fractions. Okay, so that's what the word rational means, written as a fraction. And our step here will be to rewrite the base as a prime number and then deal with the exponent as a fraction. So we've now seen this 3 times in our study of exponents in grade 11, so it's definitely one of the most useful skills is to rewrite in prime factors. Okay, so 8 is 2 to the 3, and my exponent is 2 over 3. So what I'm supposed to do now is I'm supposed to multiply the 2 exponents together because I'm raising the exponent to another exponent, right? And that's actually quite easy. If I just make that 3 over 1, just doing a little sidebar calculation, you really don't have to do this, but I wanted to show you how straightforward it is. Also, you can do this step on the calculator if it's like numbers you are not easily just going to multiply. And of course, that's just 2, isn't it? So it's going to be 2 to the 2, and my answer is 4. Okay, really important to not do this on the calculator because we can totally see that you've done it if you just come up with an answer. Okay. Right, here the tip is to always change decimal fractions into common fractions because that's how we work with it. The rules only work when you have it in a form factor that the rules can be applied to. Okay, 0.25, you could change this on the calculator. Again, I'm not contradicting myself every time I tell you to use a calculator. It is that the baby steps or the insignificant steps may be done on a calculator. So 0.25 is a quarter. And I'm going to take that to the power of 3 over 2. Right, that's still not really in a way that I can deal with it, so I need to change prime bases again. Okay, so that is 1 over 2 to the 2. And remember, when you've got a fraction like this, you then just raise everything by the power that's on the outside. Okay, so that is actually 1 over 2 to the 2. Obviously, 1 to the 3 over 2 is just 1, right? So I'm not going to do anything clever there. I'm going to raise that to the 3 over 2. And then on my calculator, I could say 2 times 3 over 2. Or I could write it as 2 over 1 in there and multiply it. And that way I can see what's going to happen. The 2's will cancel again, and I'm just going to have 2 to the 3 at the bottom. Okay, don't forget the top's got a 1. 2 to the 3 is 8, so my answer is 1 over 8.